Good day, this is David with a Techie How-To. I'm showing you the LG SL6Y Sound Bar. I've been getting lots of questions on how to change some of the settings on this system. So I'm just here to show you how to do this. I do have one of my own videos up on the screen here. And using the remote control, I'm going to use the gears, which is the lower left-hand button. It's right under the sound effect button. You'll see a still shot show up on this to show you which button it is. But when I do that, it gives me some settings. So WF is for the subwoofer that you see there. The C is for the center channel setting. The R is for rear channel. And then you have treble and you have bass. And you can see my bass is set to 3. This ranges from -5 to 5. And you adjust it when it's highlighted with the volume keys, up or down. And once you get to 5, you can't go any higher. Once you get to -5, you can't go any lower. So we have that there. I've been keeping my bass set at 3 on this. So what I'll do is I'll play a little bit of the video here and I'll adjust the bass.
Hey, good day. This is David with another tech review.
So again, pressing the button,
LG Sound Bar SL6Y.
going to the bass.
This is a 3.1 wireless surround sound
So with the adjustment
that goes with your television. And you can actually see the bar hanging.
I can't tell much of a difference, but that's the options that are there for this to set the bass to different levels.
See here, there's a subwoofer here. Now these connect wirelessly to one.
So there you go, and you can do that for treble as well as the center channel setting, the subwoofer setting, and the rear channels if you have them. Of course, as always, this can be found in the manual. This is page 10 of the English manual. It's step number 6 on page 10, or at least it's flagged with step number 6. The other steps may be on, some of the earlier steps are on other pages, but yeah, on page 10, look for step 6, and this will show you where it is at in the menu options. So this has been David with a Techie Review How-To.